Welcome to the Southern Maryland MarketWatch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence, an MRIS company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Southern Maryland housing market, which includes these areas. The nation added 175,000 jobs in February, beating expectations despite the weather. Over the past 12 months, the U.S. gained 2.2 million new jobs, led by growth in professional services, leisure and hospitality, education, and health services. The U.S. unemployment rate increased slightly to 6.7% in February from 6.6% in January. However, this increase was primarily due to an increase in the labor force, indicating more people are looking for work than last month. Activity in the national housing market was largely stalled as this winter continues to be unusually severe. Existing home sales, pending home sales, and housing starts were below their year-ago levels, but new home sales improved from last year. Rising prices and interest rates continue to be sources of uncertainty, but have been overshadowed by the winter weather. Updated local employment data is not available this month due to re-benchmarking by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. In February, buyer activity slowed, but seller activity continued to improve. There were 217 closed sales in February, 10.7% fewer than last year. This is the first year-over-year decrease since May 2013. New pending contracts also decreased, falling 8.7% from last February to just 388 contracts. The number of homes for sale continues to rise and has now shown consecutive year-over-year increases for the last 8 months. The number of active listings increased 15% from last year, rising to 1,988 listings at the end of February. Even with this increase, inventory remains tight and is only 53.6% of its 2008 peak. New listings continue to contribute to the increase in inventory and have risen from the prior year for 16 months in a row. There were 538 new listings in February, 2.5% more than this time last year, and the highest February total in 5 years. At $230,000, the median sales price is 3.7% lower than this time last year, a decrease of $8,900. The median days on market is now 77 days, 5 days more than this time last year. February continued January's pattern of a sluggish housing market, likely due to weather. Both closed sales and new pending contracts decreased, but active listings and new listings increased. Median sales price declined but remains higher than in February 2011 or February 2012. As the weather finally moderates with spring, look for buyers and sellers to become much more active. That's the Southern Maryland MarketWatch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.